Can't wait for summertime, it won't be long when you come back. I love you like I do, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
Good morning, y'all. It is now full day two. Day two. Just day two. I'm so sorry. I keep recording the food before I just start digging in. Bryce got an acai bowl. I'm really rubbing off on him. Super good. Oh yes. Oh yes. I got an acai bowl plus this protein bowl. Tastes pretty good so far. I think these two bowls for me are like $33. Expensive, but super good. I like it. I like it a lot. Is it recording? Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
I got my acai bowl to go. This is a lot of food. The serving side was huge. How was your acai bowl, Bryce?
Very good.
Nice.
Very
nice.
nutritious.
So it's
Nutritious and delicious.
Yeah. Bars. You wanna hit that button real quick?
Wait.
Okay, so
wait.
we're gonna head over to Wynwood Walls, check out some of the art over there, and then head out to our flyboard reservation. Oh my gosh, there's so much. We're still on Miami Beach, so it's gonna take about 15-20 minutes to drive over to Wynwood. Man, the wind is really winding right now. Trees here are pretty. Okay, we're in the little park area with art. This is people trying to cut in line, trying to line us, and they're like, "Are you going inside to pay for the ticket?" I was like, "Yes, we're going inside." They're like, "Which line?" There's 2 lines. I was like, "Inside." They're like, "Okay." I was like, "Dude, come on." Anyways, yeah, take some pictures. It's a cool place. I'll take some videos for y'all. This is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not one for much of art, but I can appreciate how much time and effort went into this. Okay guys, I found my favorite piece of art. Are you ready for this? It's my favorite one. I just saw it. I just noticed it. Here we go. I abso-freaking love it. We found an indoor place with some art. Check this one out. Like, what? So, we're about to flyboard. I'm leaving this camera in here. I'll bring my GoPro, so I'm still bringing you with me. I hope you guys enjoy the content.
I don't wanna ask, yeah. I don't wanna waste your time. But can we go back, yeah, where everything felt just fine and we would just laugh on. I hate that we argue all the time. I should've read between the lines that you did last night. Getting young and we're dumb, but we're so far away. I'm 21, getting drunk, taking blunts to the face. So what, LOL, this is perfect for me. Growing up's never fun and I don't wanna be 21 and waiting for someone to save me. I'm drinking too much and it's driving me crazy. 21 but nothing feels different lately. I hate growing up every day, can you blame me? I'm 21 and waiting for you to replace me. I wish we could go back to when we were 18. 21, that's when my friends who hate me. I try to be better, but nothing can change me. I'm sorry for letting you down on the daily. You're dodging my calls, can you talk to me, baby? My ADD is kicking in, and I threw out my red alert. I need something to focus on. It's hard to need a stimulus.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda cold. That was insanely fun. Felt a lot. But then once I got the hang of it, well, you guys saw it was exhilarating and I got really freaking high. Felt like Iron Man. So now Bryce is getting ready. It's gonna be his turn. So hope you guys enjoyed the clips of him succeeding in it.
I wish we could go back to when we were 18. it's all the same. Is it okay if we just run far away? Oh, what a day, it's all the same. Is it okay if we just run away? 21 and waiting for someone to save me. I'm drinking so much and it's driving me crazy. 21 but nothing feels different lately. I hate going up every day, can you blame me? I'm 21 and waiting for you to replace me. I wish we could go back to when we were 18. 21's when my friends who hate me. I try to be better but nothing can change me.
So hard on that one. Oh,
What'd you think of it? Did you like it? Yeah.
definitely recommend.
Yeah, for sure. Our instructor, Oliver, he was really chill. He had good energy. He helped us, and he encouraged us as we fell many times, as you guys saw. Every single time I fell, I hit my private parts and it hurt, and no, it just hurt.
So much water.
Yeah, drank so much water, went up my nose.
Not the good kind.
Let's take a ride. So right now what we're gonna do is just walk down Miami a little bit, the streets here. We're down by the seaside. Oh, nice. Caught that in 4K, sir. She knows if she stops, she won't be able to dig anymore.
You're too cute. I can't.
The way she runs, I can't.
I took her to the beach from a young age, so she like loves it.
Oh.
Go down.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're good. Put the back window down.
All right. You good?
Yeah,
Good?
I'm
What's your name?
My name's CJ. Yes, sir. Came through, bro. Came through.
No problem. All right. Hey, I'll see y'all.
All right, bro. Have a good day. Appreciate it.
No problem. That was fun. Oh, that's sick. I would love to do that. That'd be so cool. Now wait for a cop car to pull us over or something. Right here in Miami, and playing some volleyball. I'm waiting our turn before we can get in on that game. So I think we're next in line. Bryce and I have been losing a lot, but that's okay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's girls right here. They've been there for the past 10-15 minutes, just taking turns, taking pictures against a tree. Like, go to the beach or something. Bryce and I lost. It's mainly more me than anything, but still had fun. Wasn't too terrible. We stayed up a little bit. The escape room was pretty cool. We finished it with 11 minutes left. We only used 2 hints. And what else about the escape room? It was just cool. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Did you like it? Mm-hmm. That was his first escape room ever, so that was nice. Drive back was cool. We ordered some food. We're just gonna eat in here. We also got some pizza rolls in the freezer, so we're gonna eat those. And the food I ordered total was like $50, so not too terrible. Got some coconut shrimp and some fettuccine alfredo. Right now we're gonna see if we can get up to the roof because we haven't really checked that out yet, so we're heading up there now. Okay, we got to the roof. Oh, the camera's fogging up.
I was like, it looks really foggy.
We'll give it a second. Anyways, made it to the roof. Hello people, hope you enjoy your stay. Oh gosh, I feel like this is so wrong. I'll stop.
So funny.
We could watch anyone from up here. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. Oh, he was staring. Oh my gosh, he saw us.
2 hands. You know, need 2 hands.
Big boy. Big boy. We're on the roof. This is a pretty cool view of stuff. Yeah, sorry it's foggy. It's gonna be like that for a little bit. Hello. It is late now. The Alfredo was good. It was better than I thought it would be. The coconut shrimp was okay. It was a little bit better than mediocre. And then I made some pizza rolls. I microwaved them. Also whipped up some eggs. Whip it, yeah. Made some eggs on toast. You know, shoved in out here. And, pretty low-key dinner, just, you know, yeah, you know. I hope you guys enjoy the content for today. I just took a shower and Bryce is out. That boy's snoozing. So yeah, that's why I'm being so quiet right now. Hope you guys enjoy the content as much as we did today. It honestly was insane. We flew. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. Thanks for sticking along for the ride. I appreciate you guys more than you know. Have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bye.